Hey guys. So I submitted Tote for beta approval today, and Apple is still looking at it, so I haven't gotten it approved yet. But otherwise, I went to the Springs today and relaxed and had a day away from my computer. You can see that did not last long because we're back here. But yeah, I'm got nothing else to report, really. It was kind of just a pretty chill day. I have a lot of ideas running through my head and things that I want to do, and it seems like my mind is moving faster than I can physically act. So, I'm trying to start now working on being more productive because I've now run out of hours in the day, and the only way I can get more done is to get more done in those hours of that day, by using my time more efficiently, which is kind of wild because I already use my time absurdly efficiently. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm working on getting Tote good. Hopefully, in the next day or two, it'll be out for beta testing. Can send it to you guys. But really, I tested it out today at the grocery store, and the functionality works absolutely incredibly well. I can put in what I want. It'll give me the estimated price at the stores, at the certain store. I can correct the price, and then on a different day, if I type that in, it'll show me the corrected price. Only problem with that is seasonal changes in prices, inflation, and the recorded prices were not accurate for certain items. Now, it did get better with this with time, but I want this to be as crisp as humanly possible. I want it to be legit, and I don't want it to be like okay or decent. I want it to be worth people paying money for. So right now, it is not within the 5% that I want it to be. So I'm running some corrections right now to try and figure out how I can get the prices to be as good as possible. So as of the current moment, I've now added a system where when a user types in an item, it will ground the prompts to the AI to make it more likely to have an accurate answer. And the way that it goes about this is it will go and find other items that users have actually reported that are in the same category. So if I'm looking up how much 1 pound of organic strawberries is, it will first search the database for that store for blueberries, blackberries, non-organic strawberries, 2 pounds of strawberries, anything that a user has reported that is similar to it. And then it will take the price of that, give it to AI, and it'll be like, hey, here are the prices of some of these things at the store. What do you think your best guess at the price of a pound of organic strawberries would be based on these prices relatively? Then at least it's more grounded, it's more accurate. So we're going to test that out. Secondly, it's this thing called cross-store pricing. So if we can pretty accurately prove that Walmart prices for produce are typically, I don't know, 25% lower on average than all the prices at Publix, then we don't actually need to use AI to guess. We can just use that math. So if we know how much a pound of strawberries is at Publix, and we know that Walmart is 25% cheaper, we can just run the logic without any AI costs. And so that cuts costs. And then another thing, that I think is really at its core, the final frontier of things that we're going to do is specific item cataloging between stores. And so basically, users all throughout the app for everyone have item specific tags for multipliers. So I type in bananas however much I want, and then somebody else types in bananas however much they want. And the true price is $1 for however many it is. And my result is $1.20, and for them the result's $1.30. So on average, it's 25% higher than the actual price. And so now specifically for that product, bananas, not organic bananas, but bananas, regardless of the quantity, AI overestimates it by 25%. And so we will apply a 0.75 or a 0.8 multiplier to scale that back down to the actual price of bananas. And what we've done here is we applied this to every single product. And so for every item, individual item, size doesn't matter, brand doesn't matter, but for the item itself, we have applied a multiplier correction so that AI scales it down. So if we are known historically on average for bananas, I don't care what brand, it doesn't matter how much, but bananas, overestimated by 25%. We're going to apply a 0.8 multiplier, and that will put it back to 100%. And that should make it accurate over time. So the goal with this is the stacks with all of these combined should make for a super accurate app, which I'm just going to have to test, of course. But yeah, I'll let you know how it works. But as of right now, the only thing that seems to be like way off is produce. So when I put in the price of organic strawberries today at Publix, they're like $6.99. And AI said it was like $3, and I was like, no, definitely not. Other problem that I'm gonna have to face in the future, that's not a problem that I can fix right now, is if a store just doesn't sell it, AI is not gonna say, I don't think they sell this here. It's gonna give me a number. So I need some way, basically over time, to report if items are or are not in existence at that store. So like, for example, Trader Joe's just doesn't sell organic strawberries. Like, that's just not a thing that they have. And yet AI is going to give it a price. And so if it gives it the cheapest price, somebody goes to Trader Joe's looking for the cheapest organic strawberries they've ever found in their life, and they don't even sell them there. It's going to be like, what the hell? So that's something that we'll have to take into account. But those are all later problems. Right now, I'm just trying to fix accuracy so I can get it out into beta testing, and then I'll face that later. But that's pretty much it for today. I'm kind of pooped, and I'm all over the place, so I'm going to try and get an early night tonight, but God knows that's probably not going to happen. So yeah, I'll chat with y'all tomorrow, and yeah, I'll see you later.